Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to Tampa. This is our view from my seat. It's actually quite beautiful. So my flight is actually 2 hours and 10 minutes and I'm pretty excited. I'll update you through the flight. It's a pretty packed flight. I got the window seat this time for the first time ever. Sitting next to my dad in the middle seat. I always get the middle seat, so very happy. I don't think I've ever been so happy to be on a flight. Like, this is my first flight where I'm like actually very excited. Any thoughts? Any words?
No words.
Okay. Dad, this is very special. You get to be on my YouTube channel with my 5 subscribers. So guys, we just started moving. The plane just started moving home, and we're being directed to the runway where we're gonna get into the air. And I'm very excited because we're moving and I get to be in Florida and be colorful soon. Meaning not pasty white. I'll have some freckles. Guys, the lights just turned off and we're moving very fast. We're starting to run down the, the runway. Makes sense. And we're gonna be taking off very shortly. Very excited. Update you when we're in the air. Oh, we slowed down. We're not going in as fast anymore because we took a turn, and I think we're taking another turn, and then I think we're gonna start putting the jets on and we're gonna go flying. Oh my gosh, the light just is flashing on the plane, so I think we're gonna want to start picking up turbulence and speed. Not turbulence. Oh my gosh, we just went over a bump. You can't even see outside because of the reflection on my phone. We're taking another turn. Oh my god, the jets just turned on. Oh damn! Oh my god, the jets just turned on! We are zooming. We're going like 100 miles an hour. Oh my god, we're going so fast. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We're going so fast. Oh my gosh. We're about to take off the floor. Oh my god, we are literally going. Oh my gosh, we just took off. We are in the air. Oh my god. We are shooting straight up. We're shooting straight up right now. We're straight up. Oh my god, the plane is like directly. I'll show you. Never mind, I'm not gonna show you because you can't even see it. Oh my gosh, it's so cold outside. It's so cool. Look it. You can't really see, but like it goes straight down. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. It's so pretty in the sky. It's literally gorgeous. You can't see anything, I keep forgetting. But like you can see, I'll try to show you. But you can see like the horizon where like the sunset is. Sorry, it probably sounds so loud. I'm so sorry. But then you can see some really pretty stars from up here. Loki, this is like such a fun experience. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Mom and Dad. It's so cool from like being up here. Like I don't think I've ever like seen it like this. You can't. Oh my god, the lights just turned off on the wing. But like you can't even see anything. I don't even know. But it's so much cooler in person. Hey guys, we're like halfway in. It's been like an hour and we have an hour and 10 minutes left-ish. But I think we're flying over Nashville right now. Because I see like big bright lights in big cities. But I don't really know. I just was watching Jane the Virgin for like the past while. And I was going through my camera roll because it's really fun. But now I think I'm going to try to go to bed. So yeah, it's currently, one second. It's currently 9 is kind of bad. It's so uncomfortable, and I have no space. At least I got the window seat. Oh my god, my voice keeps cracking. Anyways, I was right. We were in Tennessee. Oh my god, we were in Tennessee. Like when I last updated you guys, because now we're like almost to Atlanta, Georgia. Cause that was like when I said we were in Tennessee, like Nashville. That was like such a guess, and I was like actually right. I just figured it out because my mom showed me a map. Cause now we're in Georgia, and we're getting close to Atlanta, and we have like 15 minutes left. I think a little bit less maybe. So I'm getting pretty excited. I'm gonna watch more Jane the Virgin now. And the hood is up. It's getting kind of cold in the plane. Okay, so.
As we just heard from the flight deck, we have.
Okay, so we're starting our descent down towards Fort Lauderdale, aka Tampa. I'm so excited. It's 76 degrees out apparently, and we have like 25 minutes left, which that means we have like 10 minutes left sitting on the plane, 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm getting excited. You can't see the ground yet though, which is kind of scary. It just looks black outside.
Position. All carrying items safely stowed out of the aisles. At this time, please.
We're going down.
Stow those larger electronic devices back out of
The lights just turned back on.
Flight attendants are coming to the cabin the last time to pick up any remaining service items or trash or anything else you do. We should be on the ground shortly.
We're in Florida. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god, all the lights just turned back on. I can't see any cities right now. But that's okay because we're gonna be landing. And my mom wants to say hi. Yo! Okay, goodbye. Oh my gosh. Guys, you can see the clouds. Those gray things are the clouds. I'm starting to see land. Look at the clouds. It's so bad you can't even see them. Hey guys, it's currently 11:11, and I think we're flying over water. No, we're flying over we're in the middle of like this water, and we're landing. Oh my god, we just landed. And we're I mean, this is so cool. You can't even see, but we just landed. I didn't even know we were landing, but we just landed. The wings are so cool. One second, they're open. Like I can see directly through them. It's so cool. So yeah, we just landed, and I'm gonna update you when we get inside the airport. Hey guys, we just made it. It's way too hot here for me wearing a sweatshirt and pants. Agreed?
Green.
Green. It's actually kind of cold in the airport. I swear they better not have the air conditioner on. But we're gonna be the only ones here because, oh, this is weird. Because it's almost midnight. But we don't have to get a rental car. Oh, it's pretty. There's glass. Anyways, goodbye. I'll update you later. So guys, we made it to baggage claim, and it just started as I got here. It's going. It stopped. We got a luggage show. And we're gonna take an Uber and we're gonna leave the airport.
Okay, are you looking at arrival levels?
To the Uber we go.
Oh, I was gonna see it.
Hey guys, we made it in the Uber. Hey guys, what's up? We made it to the hotel and there's a lizard on the ceiling. Bro, have any thoughts? No? Okay. There's palm trees. Well, no. The lizards or geckos or whatever they're called are up there. They're just chilling on the ceiling. Pretty exciting.
Why are my legs wet?
This is probably the end of the vlog. Ella, you want to do my outro?
Subscribe and ring the bell. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, okay. Adios. I'll post another video soon.
Bye. Ring that bell. Ding, ding, ding.
End of day 1.